Hello, so this is the second part of this video that I'm putting together for my Swaying Ghost. I wanted to show this one. This is a plastic skull. I want my thanks out to Halloween Haunts Facebook page. I put a message out and somebody sent me a link to this, and I did some research, and so this skull is 24 inches high. I saw them as expensive as $62 on eBay, but I actually got it for $28 and $8 shipping from Haunted Props. And it actually lights up, and it's got a sound sequence to it. So typically I try to make my own things, but this was definitely worth it. What I want to show on this is one thing I did. So this is what was on the back, this here. And again, it's a couple, looks like 3 AAA batteries that do the light and sound. But one thing about it, which is odd, is you can see right here, the holes for it, the speaker was facing the back way, and it was a little tiny speaker. This is like 2 inches. And again, typically I don't use whatever sounds come with a prop because it's usually not good enough and especially not loud enough. But I'm going to try it this time, because what I did is I went to Goodwill and I found myself a 4-inch speaker, and you can see right here I actually mounted a 4-inch speaker on the front, and I drilled some holes, so that's the sound. And so now this little sound loop is going to be directed forward. Like I said, there's a bunch of LED lights that flash between green and yellow and red. So that's the first thing I want to show before I put this all together, and you miss this. And then what I want to do is figure out, because it's going to be hanging, how I'm going to attach it. And you can see for now I've just drilled through. I put a piece of wood behind it, and then I had to cut this. This was actually in the very center before, which you could see would be right over where my pipe is. So I cut it a little bit to the side, and so this is going to slide on, and it's going to sit right like this. And so it's still going to give me enough access to change the batteries, and I'll black out that one side, but you won't be able to see this once it's all done. But anyway, this is the first part I want to show you. So I ended up, like I said, with a 24-inch plastic skull that has sound and lights to it. $20 from hauntedprops.com, with I think it was $8 for shipping, which I think is a pretty good deal.